Hello friends, myself Govind Ranadive, KDK College of Engineering Nagpur. I am Associate Professor in Mathematics Department. My today's topic is curve fitting part 2, means only exponential type of curve. There are three types of exponential type of curve. Y is equal to AB raised to power x, A and B are any two unknown constant. Variable are x and y. Similarly, y is equal to ax raised to power b. Here base is variable, power is constant. Here base is constant, power is variable. And third is y is equal to a e raised to power bx. Now suppose I want to fit first type of curve. So my example number 1, fit the curve y is equal to a b raised to power x for the following data. Remember one thing, for curve fitting, always you know x table and y table. This is my requirement for any type of curve. Because my problem is in terms of x and y. So x table is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Y table is 1.6, 4.5, 13.8, 40.2, 125, 300. So y is equal to a b raised to power x, taking log of both the sides. This log is to the base 10 log. So when I take log of above equation, so log y is equal to log a and this power plus x log b. Suppose log y is new table and that is capital Y table. Suppose log a is equal to capital N, new constant, x remain as it is and log b is another constant, that is capital B. Now given problem is straight line y is equal to mx plus c, just like mx plus c. So now I want to fit straight line, forget about exponential curve, and you know how to fit a straight line. There are two constants, capital A and capital B. What is coefficient of capital A? 1. What is coefficient of capital B? X. So 1 means first equation as it is and second equation must be multiplied by small x, original x. So this is my first equation and second equation multiplied by small x. Now taking summation of equation number 1 and 2. So again you will get new 1 and 2. Summation of capital Y is equal to Na. Remember one thing, summation of constant quantity is equal to N into constant. Plus B, summation of small x. And second, summation of xy is equal to A summation of x plus B summation of x square. Now I want to fit a straight line. So I must know summation of x small x. Summation of capital Y. Capital Y means new table. This is small y table, it is given. Now convert to capital Y by taking log of each term. Log of 1, log of 1.6, log of 4.5. And you required original x table because in my straight line original x is there. So don't change x table. X table remain as it is. Now you know y table, so taking log of every term, 4.5, 13.8 log of, and in this way you will get new table. Name of new table is capital Y table. Then x into capital Y. So you will get new table xy, but this x is small x and y is capital Y. Now this is useless for me now. Small y table is useless. And x square. So I require generally 4 table for straight line. Small x summation, capital Y summation, summation of x into y and summation of x square. Now put values in equation number 1 and 2. So when I put values in equation number 1 and 2, so this become 8.1753 capital Y summation. N means number of terms given, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 21b summation of x. Now this is summation of x into capital Y. This is summation of x a plus x square b. Now solve by using calculator. So when I solve this above equation by using calculator, so my unknown are capital A and capital B. So you will get first value of capital A by calculator and second value by is capital B value. So first value is my negative value, second value is 0.4617. But in my given problem, I don't want to find values of capital A and capital B. I want to find small a and small b. So taking anti-log by calculator, capital A anti-log is small a and small b means anti-log of capital B. So when I take by calculator anti-log, so small a value become 0.5578 and value of small b is equal to 2.8955. This is my final answer, and put this answer in your original exponential curve. In this way you can fit a exponential curve. Now second type of exponential curve. My second problem is fit a curve y is equal to a x raised to power b for the following data. Again you know x table, you know y table. Y is equal to a x raised to power b, taking log again to the base 10 log by calculator, log log button. So y is equal to a x raised to power b, taking log of both the side, log y is equal to log a plus b. Now power is b, base is x. So my straight line become capital Y is equal to a plus small b. The small b remain as it is, and capital X. In this problem in straight line, I don't want small x and small y. I want capital X new table and capital Y new table. I don't want original x table and y table. Now you know how to fit a straight line. So capital A and small b coefficient are 1 and x. 1 means first equation remain as it is. And now multiply this equation by capital X. So you will get another equation. Capital XY is equal to capital A capital X plus B capital X square. Now taking summation of both the equation. Summation of capital Y is equal to NA plus B summation of capital X, equation number 1. Summation of XY capital. Remember one thing again. I don't want small x small y table in this problem. So A summation of capital X plus B summation of x square. Now you know x table, you know y table. But I don't want x table and y table. I want new x table, that is capital X table, by taking log. So log of 1 is equal to 0 in this way, log of 2, log of 3, log of 4, and in this way log of 6. Similarly, capital Y table means log of small y table. When you know x table, capital and y table, so then I don't want small x table and small y. This is useless for me now. Now capital X table summation, capital Y table summation, then x into y, capital. Don't use small x and small y now. Only use capital X table, capital Y table, capital XY table and capital X square table. Add, you will get all summation. These are my summation. Put in equation number 1 and 2. So when I put in equation number 1 and 2, you will get two equation. This is value of summation of y. This is NA. This is summation of capital X, V. After solving by calculator, you will get two values. First value is capital A and small and second value is original B. Here you don't want to take anti-log of B because this is your original value of small b. Only take anti-log of capital A, and when I take anti-log of capital A, you will get small a value. So this is now my, in this problem, B is original. So don't take anti-log. Don't take symbol also. But small a value is 2.9785. And in this way, my answer is y is equal to 2.9785. X raised to power 0.5143. Now third type of problem. Last problem. Fit a curve y is equal to a e raised to power bx. Here b and x in I use as a power to the following data. Again data is 1, 2, 3, 4. 2.98, 4.61, 7.93, 18.54. Now in this problem, when your problem is of this type, where base is small e, so taking log to the base e means in calculator this button shows ln button. In ln button, log means to the base e log. Especially remember this most important point. You can take even simple log also to the base 10. I will explain. But first take log to the base e of both the side. So when I take log of e both the side, so this become log of y to the base e, log of a to the base e plus bx power, and log of e to the base e cancel. That's why I have taken log to the base e in this problem. But remember, you can take simple log also. But in that case, you will get log of e to the base 10 value. And you will get new type of straight line. Now, by taking log of e to the of both the side, this log of e cancel. So, y is equal to a plus bx. In this problem, b remain as it is, x table remain as it is. And you know how to fit a straight line. Coefficient of a is 1, coefficient of b is small x. In this way, xy, ax plus bx square. And now taking summation of equation number 1 and 2, you will get again 2 equation. But speciality of this problem, in this problem your x table remain as it is. Only you want to take log of y table, capital Y table. Then x into y, capital, x square original. You know all values. You don't want summation of small y. You want summation of capital Y. Always you must know 4 values for straight line. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now put in given problem. Solve by calculator. When I solve by calculator, again you will get capital A value, because in my straight line capital A is there and small b is there. Small b means original value. Now taking anti-log, but remember again one thing, I have taken log to the base e, so you have to take anti-log of same button. And your answer is 1.4872, small b original answer. And in this way, when you take log to the base 10, so your answer may differ by some value. So remember this is curve fitting of exponential type. Thank you very much.